Hello, it's me. Welcome to OnlyDashcams. Please make sure to hit that subscribe and like so I afford bigger cage for my brother Pillow. Now we hits the road. Dziękuję.
ਰੋਕੋ 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 ਹੈ ਹੱਥ 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 ਚੋਰੀ ਮਾਰਦੀ ਦੇਖਿਓ ਬੰਦਾ ਹੀ ਰਗੜਦਾ
Well, not a correct chili cheese dog. What a people just wrecked right in front of me.
Jeff Jarvis.
This clip symbolizes when I do something like big shiny sports car and then my brother Pillow gets out of cage and tries to copy me. You will never be like me, Pillow. Here we see example of woman with her small brain getting distracted by tiny smudge of bird shit on windscreen. Shit indeed.
They're fucking going for it again. What do we even do in this situation?
Stupid man, in my country we would remove all 4 tires to balance things out.
Go ahead and start med units. It means a third.
Industry that was working to try to...
In US and A's, people care for their fellow man. Let's see what these Americans think of this dangerous situation.
I mentioned the reference to the talked about how would you like it written if people came in.
Oh, that was awesome!
The most disturbing thing about this situation is the woman's horrible shrieking. On Amazon, I order Blow Up Woman for the sexy time. I have Prime membership, but my delivery not arrive. Very disappoint.
What are you doing?
I find myself more worried for dog than stupid fat man.
रुको रुको
Oh my god. Oh my god.
As car slides out of control, luckily woman shrieks like banshee to help situation.
वो रोज न्यूज़पेपर में खुद को देखना बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं करते। उन्हें लगता है कि एक्टर्स की भी प्राइवेट लाइफ होती है, जिसमें पूरी दुनिया को छुपाए रखने का उनको पूरा राइट है।
When I watch this clip too loudly, my wife hear and she thinks I'm watching the sexy porn. Woman make noise like she has two college dudes inside her virgin.
Oh my God!
Jeff Jarvis. Oh, Jeff. Jeff used to be the critic for TV Guide. Oh, go ahead, Jeff.
and he was spewing his normal sermon about how you need to build relationships when he interrupted Scott with that statement. We loved it.
Hear a man shout loudly to prevent accident.
Damn! Oh, 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 oh!
Thank God he was there to shout whoa and no. He is true American hero. I very much appreciate you watching other people's misery. If you want more, remember to smash subscribes and hit likes. If you are woman and you hit bell, it means you are now my wife. Great success!